वैष्णव जन को तेने कहिए जे पीड़ पराए जाने रे.
All over the world, and of course in India since 1991. Free trade, free markets have been the clarion call. On the other hand, in the way that I, in my limited understanding, understand Professor Amartya Sen's work, it has, relatively speaking at least, much more to do with the social economy. And as we come face to face with the limitations of the free market economy, we have to seek insights from the social economy to make progress. From mere GDP growth rates, we need, for example, to look at human development indices, a concept and a framework for which owes much to Professor Sen's work. We also need to ensure that the free market economics and globalization, good as it may be, does not increase inequalities both among nations and within nations. The poor, as a result of free trade and globalization, are perhaps better off, except maybe I'm not so sure about sub-Saharan Africa.
गोपीनाथ नायक एक दिलेर स्वतंत्रता सेनानी है, अप्रतिम सक्रियवादी कार्यकर्ता है. 1944 में आपने रचनात्मक आंदोलन में प्रभावी भागीदारी के लिए त्रिवेंद्रम स्टूडेंट सेटलमेंट का संगठन किया. कोलकाता के सांप्रदायिक दंगों में समाप्ति के समय गांधी जी ने दिए गए अनशन की प्रामाणिकता को प्रेरणा पाकर आपने अपने शोध कार्य को तिलांजलि दे दी और रचनात्मक आंदोलन में कूद पड़े. संपूर्ण गांव की सहभागिता वाले आपके शिविर आंदोलन से शिविर में हिस्सा लेने वालों को गांधी जी के संदेश को बेहतर ढंग से समझने में सहायता मिली. आपने विनोबा जी के भूदान और ग्रामदान के संदेश को केरल में ठोस और उत्कृष्ट तरीके से फैलाने में महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभाई.
We have gathered here today to participate in a very auspicious and solemn function. It's a matter of joy for the Gandhian community all over India and abroad to find that the devoted work done along Gandhian lines is spotted out, verified, highlighted and honored by the Vedant Foundation in an exemplary manner. The destiny of man is intimately intertwined with the highest human values, towards the evolution of which Gandhiji strived every moment of his life. When great men like Gandhi came, they happened to get gifted men to work out their mission. It is common knowledge that it was Sri Jawaharlal Bajaj who first came forward himself to organize one by one the different items of the constructive program of Gandhiji, starting with Khadi. His life was a sangha of service dedicated to Gandhi. Gandhiji's remarks about Jawaharlal is worth remembering on this occasion, today being his birthday. He said, I quote, I may have given the mantra, but Jawaharlal devoted his intelligence, powers of organization and his money to give a form to the scheme. He had the gift of seeking out and creating workers too. He felt with me that Swaraj was to be found in Khadi, and he organized it while I was in jail, or else it might have died. Unquote.
Indomitable preservationists, ardent nature lover, your Tarun Bharat spearheaded the Gram Sammelan awareness campaign for rural development and employment generation by water conservation. Your visionary Jal Bachao, Johar Banao campaign, Nidhi Prachar, Bachao, Yatra, Ped Bachao, Ped Lagao, Ped Yatra, and a 3-month-long jungle Jeevan Bachao Yatra heightened people's sensibility to the regarding water forests and watershed conservation and the preservation of wildlife. In sanctuaries as well as elsewhere, thanks to your Aravali Bachao Yatra, with thousands participating, the government of Rajasthan was forced to close 1,000 mines. Your tenacity of purpose ended the destructive consequences of mining those remains. A better quality of life was for the people of this state.
आज की खुशी में सबसे खास बात ये लगती है कि जब 22 साल पहले हम जिस गांव में गए थे और उस गांव की जिंदगी को बेहतर बनाने का सपना, उसका कोई विज्ञान, ऐसा विज्ञान नहीं जिस विज्ञान में जिसको हम शोषण कर रहे हैं उसको विकास कहें, वैसा विज्ञान मैंने इख्तियार नहीं किया। मेरी टेक्नोलॉजी में, मेरे विज्ञान में वो विज्ञान नहीं था कि हम जिस वाटर रिसोर्स को एक्सप्लॉयटेशन की तकनीक और इंजीनियरिंग से पानी देने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं उसको हमारी मिनिस्ट्री कहे कि दिस इज द वाटर रिसोर्स डेवलपमेंट मिनिस्ट्री। मैंने कुछ ऐसा नहीं किया। मैंने जो भी कुछ किया वो अपने गांव के अनपढ़ गुरुओं से सीखा। मेरे गुरु किसी यूनिवर्सिटी के पढ़े हुए या आईआईटी के पढ़े हुए नहीं हैं। मेरे गुरु हैं जो बिल्कुल हल चलाते हैं, अपना नाम नहीं लिख सकते और लिखा हुआ पढ़ नहीं सकते, लेकिन वो जानते हैं कि इस धरती पर, इस प्रकृति में कैसे जीना है, कैसे इस प्रकृति से कम लेकर अपनी मेहनत और पसीने से इस प्रकृति को पोषित करें। जो इस प्रकृति को पोषित करके जिंदा रहते हैं और इस धरती से लेते कम हैं और अपनी मेहनत से देते ज्यादा हैं, वो लोग मेरे गुरु हैं। मैंने उनसे सीखा।
Through the Vikas Vidyalaya that you created in remote Vadron in the state of Gujarat, the beneficiaries, because of your missionary zeal and boundless energy, have grown from a mere 40 to no less than 80,000. Your vision and your horizon has been limitless, and no field of welfare has been overlooked. The adoption, shelter, education, healthcare, and vocational training of children, including those abandoned by their parents. The rescue, shelter, and rehabilitation of neglected women, the physically handicapped, and mentally challenged. Every single category of the deprived has benefited from your visionary work, your dedication, and your devotion.
I would like to share my sentiments for this award as something special because I was started social work before 60 years ago in 1946 for the welfare of orphan children and destitute women with blessing of Pujya Rashtrapita Mahatma Gandhi ji and blessing of Srimati Pushpaben Mehta, Laureate Srimati Janki Devi Jamnalal Bajaj. She was my auntie. I inspired by her social work in the field of distress, destitute women and orphan children. She encouraged me to develop myself for welfare work and distress, destitute women and orphan children. Today, Srimati Janki Devi Jamnalal Bajaj Award has given me a glory and respect.
I consider it a privilege to read the citation in honor of Dr. Laisaku Ikeda. Peace lover, humanist, prolific writer, poet, you have been the head for over 3 decades of the Buddhist Soka Gakkai International. This non-governmental organization
with multi-million membership in 189 countries worldwide, carries out humanitarian and public information programs. With vision and resoluteness, you have encouraged dialogue between world leaders to ease tensions and to build bridges of friendship. In your writings and speeches, you draw liberally from Gandhian thought. You take the initiative in developing exchanges with like-minded individuals and institutions, including those that promote Gandhian values.
In way of replying the generosity and goodwill accorded to me, I will strive for the creation of lasting peace by redoubling my effort to educate the world about the august spirit of ahimsa, the mandate of non-killing, which is synonymous with the spirit of non-violence, as it is the hallmark of bond of mentor and disciple shared between Mahatma Gandhi and Jamnalal Bajaj.
It is wonderful that the logo of the life of Mahatma Gandhi and Jamnalalji Bajaj was also the truth of humanity, the truth of human dignity, and the truth of freedom. We are therefore very happy, especially that a man from Harvard comes here to celebrate this particular occasion, represented beautifully and summed up beautifully in that portrait of Mahatma Gandhi and Jamnalalji Bajaj.
Gandhiji's championing of non-violence, even when facing a violent adversary, has stimulated public reflection and enkindled political action in different forms right across the world. Not least of Gandhiji's influence can be seen in the way courageous and visionary political leaders in many other countries, including such luminaries as Martin Luther King in the United States and Nelson Mandela in South Africa, have been inspired by Gandhiji's ideas and values. The violence that is endemic in the contemporary world makes the commitment to non-violence particularly challenging and difficult, but it also makes that priority especially important and urgent. However, in this context, it's extremely important to appreciate that non-violence is promoted not only by rejecting and spurning violent courses of action, but also by trying to build societies in which violence would not be cultivated and nurtured, as they often are today. Gandhiji was concerned with the morality of personal behavior, but not just with that, and we would undervalue the wide reach of his political thinking if we try to see non-violence simply as a code of behavior, as a personal code of behavior, important though such a code is.
I'm certain Mahatma Gandhi must have had these awardees in mind when he said, "A small body of determined spirits, fired by an unquenchable faith in their mission, can alter the course of this world." And that's exactly what they are doing. These gallant men and women are transforming the poor and the deprived from sheer statistics to being worthy citizens. They dare to make a difference in the critical social indicators in the region they are working. At such a moment, I cannot help perceiving Ramakrishnaji, who started this journey 28 years ago, peeping through the skies and blessing us as we complete 4,349 nominations. But we do hope that we do get further nominations from areas where good work is going on, but we are not receiving enough applications, like from J&K, Northeast and other areas. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.